Russia's Promobot has unveiled a hyper-realistic humanoid robot that has even shocked the US. This advanced AI-powered robot is transforming customer service with lifelike interactions in public spaces worldwide. There's a good chance you have encountered one of Promobot's robots or software applications. Promobot is a leading Russian robotics company founded in 2013, specializing in autonomous service robots designed for various public-facing roles. These robots feature advanced artificial intelligence and sophisticated speech recognition systems, enabling them to engage in natural conversations, answer questions, and perform specific tasks. Promobot robots are increasingly used in public spaces like shopping malls, airports, government offices, and healthcare settings, where they assist with directions, customer service, and information dissemination. One standout feature of Promobot robots is their human-like appearance, designed to make interactions more comfortable and engaging. Equipped with facial recognition technology, they can recognize and remember individuals, which is particularly useful in customer service settings. This ability to personalize interactions makes Promobot an effective tool for enhancing customer experience across various industries. Promobot has a global presence, with robots deployed in over 40 countries. The company continues to innovate, regularly updating models to include new features and capabilities. Promobot's robots operate autonomously, navigating environments with a combination of sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms. This autonomy allows them to function independently, managing tasks like providing directions, answering frequently asked questions, or managing queues in busy environments. The robots are highly adaptable, with customizable software tailored to the specific needs of different businesses and industries. Beyond commercial applications, Promobot has made significant strides in robotics education. The company offers its platforms for research and development, allowing educational institutions and research centers to explore new advancements in robotics and AI. This initiative not only contributes to the growth of the robotics industry, but also helps train the next generation of engineers and developers. Promobot's expansion into various sectors demonstrates its versatility and the growing demand for AI-powered service robots. As technology advances, Promobot is poised to play a significant role in shaping the future of human-robot interactions across a wide range of environments. Norwegian robotics company 1X has announced its humanoid robot, Eve, which is now commercially available. This marks a significant advancement in domestic robotics and the integration of AI into everyday life. Eve is designed to be more than just a simple machine. It is a versatile household assistant capable of performing a wide range of tasks. While the AI-powered robot has already been deployed in various industrial settings, demonstrating its efficiency and reliability, its introduction into the home environment is groundbreaking. Eve can handle chores such as cooking, cleaning, and even home security, making it an invaluable addition to any household. Its capabilities extend beyond basic tasks, as it can adapt to different household needs and routines, ensuring a seamless and efficient operation. Eve uses a modified version of ChatGPT to understand and respond to commands, and 1X said the AI capabilities allow Eve to be a learning and creating robot. For instance, Eve can generate recipes by scanning a user's shelves and identifying ingredients, and replicating a user's movements to effectively complete tasks. The wheeled robot stands at 6 feet 2 inches, weighs 192 pounds, and is capable of traveling 9 miles per hour. It can also carry up to 33 pounds of goods and comes with gripper hands, so it can hold various objects to assist with cleaning and cooking chores. Figure, an AI robotics company, unveils its second-generation humanoid, Figure 02, on August 6, 2024, introducing the highest-performing humanoid robot to the market. Figure's robot combines human-like dexterity with advanced AI to perform a wide range of tasks across commercial applications and, in the near future, in homes. Figure's top-notch engineering and design teams completed a full hardware and software redesign to achieve Figure 02. Technical advancements were made in critical areas, including AI, computer vision, batteries, electronics, sensors, and actuators. Figure 02 can engage in speech-to-speech conversations with humans using onboard mics and speakers connected to custom AI models, trained in partnership with OpenAI. The Humanoid has onboard vision language model that enables fast, common-sense visual reasoning from robot cameras. A 2.25 kilowatt-hours custom battery pack in the robot's torso delivers 50% more energy, maximizing runtime. Integrated cabling for power and compute communication allows for concealed wires, higher reliability, and tighter packaging. Figure 02 perceives and understands the physical world through its AI-driven vision system powered by 6 onboard RGB cameras. Figure 02 has 3 times the computation and AI inference capacity compared to the previous generation, enabling fully autonomous real-world AI tasks. Figure 02 recently tested these new capabilities at BMW manufacturing, where it performed AI data collection and use case training. In addition to its partnership with BMW manufacturing, Figure has announced several significant achievements since being founded in 2022, including a recent Series B raise of $675 million and a collaboration agreement with OpenAI. Figure's goal is to create robots that will not only enhance productivity and efficiency, but also improve the quality of life for humans. The advanced capabilities of Figure 02 bring the company one step closer to achieving that vision. Apollo by Apptronik is a humanoid robot that handles household chores or builds habitats on the lunar surface, which may sound like science fiction. But the team at the Austin-based robotics startup Apptronik envisions a future where general-purpose robots handle dull, dirty, and dangerous jobs so humans don't have to. The robot is the same size as a human, standing at 5 feet, 8 inches tall, and weighing 160 pounds. Apollo can lift 55 pounds and is designed to be mass-produced and safely work alongside humans. The robot uses electricity rather than hydraulics, which aren't considered as safe, and has a 4-hour battery that can be changed out so it can operate for a 22-hour workday. To avoid the uncanny valley, a phenomenon where humans feel uneasy about human-like robots, Austin-based firm Agot Design outfitted Apollo with features meant to feel approachable and friendly. The robot has digital panels on its chest that clearly communicate battery life, current tasks, completion times, and upcoming actions. Apollo also has a face and intentional movements, like head turns to indicate direction. The initial goal for Apollo is to work in logistics, taking on physically demanding roles in warehouses to improve the supply chain and address labor shortages. Apptronik's goal is to build versatile robots to do all the things we don't want to do to help us here on Earth, and eventually one day explore the Moon, Mars, and beyond, said Jeff Cardenas, co-founder and CEO of Apptronik. The recently introduced MenteeBot is a human-sized robot packed with AI features. It's advertised as the personalized AI-based robot you can mentor. It can run, walk sideways, and even turn, all with the same balance and control as a human. Manufacturer Menty Robotics also says it will adjust its gait when lifting heavy objects. It should lift these heavy objects easily because it's absolutely gigantic. Now, we've had humanoid robots for a while, but this one is different than the rest. MenteeBot is stuffed with AI algorithms, natural language processing models, and software that unlocks advanced training techniques. The company says that this means the robot is not bound to a limited set of commands, and that it can even hold conversations with humans. As a matter of fact, users issue commands to the robot via natural language. To teach MenteeBot a new task, you run a simulated version of the bot through a digital version of the task. The software completes the task over and over until it figures it out. Then the robot should be able to complete the task in the real world. MenteeBot does look quite agile. It can run, and the arms and hands present a full range of motion and enough accuracy to perform delicate tasks. MenteeBot can also navigate complex environments by combining a 3D model of the world with a dynamic obstacle map. On the first day in a new location, MenteeBot generates the 3D model by following a person who shows the robot around. MenteeBot will be available in 2 flavors. There's the residential bot, which is forced to do household chores, and the commercial bot, which is forced to do manual labor. Expedition A1 by Agot is a humanoid robot that stands 1.75 meters tall and weighs 53 kilograms. Initially designed for factory settings, this impressive robot also aims to find a place in household kitchens, making daily life easier for everyone. Expedition A1 can walk stably at speeds up to 7 kilometers per hour, demonstrating remarkable balance and agility. It's incredibly versatile, capable of performing a wide range of tasks, such as tightening bolts on assembly lines, using inspection tools with precision, conducting thorough vehicle exterior inspections, and even being utilized in complex laboratory experiments. Agot's ambitious goal is to further develop Expedition A1 into a reliable household assistant. Imagine a future where the robot can fetch and pour water for you, deliver medications with care, and efficiently perform household chores like preparing ingredients, cooking meals, and even cleaning up afterward. The possibilities don't end there. In the future, Expedition A1 could be a valuable educational aid, helping children with their homework by providing explanations, guidance, and even giving a thumbs up for good work, fostering a positive learning environment. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.